Video Talk, Week 2, Beating Negative Reasoning Patterns. Welcome to Week 2 of The Force of Positive Reasoning, Dominating Outlook Shift for Self-Awareness course. This week, we will investigate the subject of conquering pessimistic reasoning examples and their huge effect on self-awareness. We will dig into procedures for perceiving these examples, testing and re-evaluating negative contemplations, and creating mindfulness and care to really battle pessimism. Pessimistic reasoning examples can be impeding to our self-awareness and prosperity. They can keep us away from arriving at our maximum capacity, thwart our advancement, and make superfluous pressure and uneasiness. It is significant to perceive these examples and find proactive ways to beat them. In this talk, we will zero in on perceiving negative reasoning examples. We will investigate normal mental contortions like highly contrasting reasoning, overgeneralization, amplification, and personalization. By becoming mindful of these examples, we can begin to recognize when and how they emerge in our viewpoints and feelings. Whenever we have perceived negative reasoning examples, we can then continue on to testing and re-examining those negative considerations. This interaction includes scrutinizing the precision and legitimacy of our negative considerations and supplanting them with additional positive and reasonable points of view. We will learn different strategies, like mental rebuilding and the utilization of positive confirmations, to challenge and rethink negative reasoning really. To help our process in beating negative reasoning examples, we will likewise investigate the significance of creating mindfulness and care. Mindfulness includes noticing our contemplations, feelings, and responses without judgment. By developing mindfulness, we can distinguish negative reasoning examples as they emerge and deliberately pick more certain and engaging considerations. Care, then again, includes being completely present in the ongoing second, focusing on our viewpoints and sentiments without connection or judgment. By rehearsing care, we can make space among ourselves and our negative contemplations, permitting us to answer them all the more capably and diminish their effect on our prosperity. Toward the finish of this talk, you will have a more profound comprehension of the pessimistic reasoning examples that can ruin self-improvement. You will likewise learn functional systems for perceiving, testing, and rethinking negative contemplations, as well as developing mindfulness and care to actually battle cynicism. Keep in mind, defeating pessimistic reasoning examples is a fundamental stage towards developing a positive outlook and releasing your actual potential for self-awareness. Along these lines, we should set out on this extraordinary excursion together.